So now we have started the session, please. Now look here, beta, we are going to solve the questions related to. Now look here, we are going to start the session and we are going to solve the questions related to area application of derivative. In this question, beta, last class also one fumble was there in this question. Now we are going to solve this question one more time. What was our question was, let's check this one out. They're telling that if the area of a circle increase at a uniform rate, okay, so one circle is there. One circle is there and its area is increasing at a uniform rate. So let's check this one, beta. This is exactly one circle is there and its radius will be considered as r. Okay, we are going to consider the radius as r. Who and all are present? Come on, say hi to me first. So now, beta, area. So what will be the area of the circle? Area of the circle will become pi r square. Now, beta, what will be the perimeter here? Perimeter is nothing but the circumference. So perimeter will become what, beta? 2 pi r. What will be the perimeter? Here perimeter is considered as 2 pi r. Sadhana, good evening, beta. So perimeter. Now, beta, what we are going to do then prove that perimeter varies inversely as the radius. So now, if the area is increasing at a constant rate, means what was given in the last question was area was increasing at a constant rate. So dA by dt we will be take it as constant. So k value and k value is considered as constant. Understood, Namita? Now what we are going to do here is we are going to start the values. Understood? Harshita, good morning. Good evening, beta. Good evening, Harshita. Now, beta, what we are going to do here is we are going to solve it. So, once we are solving it, can you check this one, beta? Area written, rate of change of area written. So, first work, what we will do? We will write area is equal to pi r square. Now, beta, we will differentiate area. So, once we are differentiating area, what we will get? Area is differentiated with respect to time. Understood? So only rate of change of area is written. So rate of change of area is dA by dt. What is rate of change of area, beta? Sorry, good evening, beta. Rate of change of area is dA by dt, beta. So what we will be writing? Differentiating pi r square dt. But beta, pi is constant, so pi will come out. Now r square will be differentiated with respect to time t. R square will be differentiated with respect to time t. So how we can differentiate r? So what we will write here is d of r square dr into dr by dt. So here it will become what, beta? Pi into 2r dr by dt. And that dA by dt is nothing but k, because they have already given dA by dt is equal to k constant. K constant and k constant. Done. Till here we have understood. Now, beta, what we are going to do here is k is equal to pi into 2r dr by dt given. Understood? Our condition is, what is our condition is, we have to generate a relation, rate of change of perimeter should be inversely proportional to area. That is our condition. Okay, that is our condition. So what we will write? K by 2 pi r is equal to dr by dt. This we got. So now we will take it as equation 1. Now beta, our perimeter was 2 pi r. Now we will again differentiate perimeter, because rate of change of perimeter they have asked. So what it will become, beta? dp by dt is equal to 2 pi dr by dt. Understood? Now here, what is dr by dt, beta? dr by dt is k by 2 pi r. So I'm just substituting using equation 1. 2 pi get cancelled. So dp by dt is equal to k by r. dp by dt is coming constantly as k by r, and this is one of the most important thing, k by r coming. So 100% we have proved the point. So here dp by dt is inversely proportional to radius. Inversely. So P is, so the moment we got dp by dt is equal to K by R, we proved a very important point, and that is rate of change of, what we have proved, rate of change of perimeter is inversely proportional to radius. Rate of change of perimeter is inversely proportional to radius, is inversely proportional to R. So rate of change of radius is inversely proportional to R. Rate of change of radius is what, beta? Inversely proportional to R. I hope you might have got this point. Those children who have not joined the session, seriously, they'll get punchings from me. I hope you might have understood. Sadhana, Josika, where is Josika? Where is Raj Janani? Name I took correct or wrong? This one done, beta. This one done. Now we will be tomorrow. Any exam is there? What exam is there? Huh? Oh, so only students are missing today. Huh? Now look here, beta. We'll go for the next one. Now let's go for the next question. Divya, understood, beta? Till here understood? Today, what happened to the students? Why are they not here? Now let's go for the next one, beta. Let's solve the next question. This one done? Yes, so perimeter, rate of change of perimeter. Yes, rate of change will be exactly. So P varies inversely as the radius. Understood? P varies inversely as the radius. Let's go for the next question, beta. Now look here. What is the question given to you is a spherical ball of salt is dissolving. So what is dissolving, beta? A spherical ball of salt is dissolving. Now let's solve this question. A spherical ball of salt is dissolving in water in such a manner that the rate of decrease of volume. So spherical ball of salt is dissolving. Spherical ball of salt is dissolving in water in such a manner that rate of decrease of volume at any instant is proportional to the surface. Now come on, solve this question, try this question out, beta. So what is the volume? So we will take the radius as R. So volume of the salt, which is exactly in the shape of sphere. It is in the shape of what, beta? It is in the shape of sphere. Now it is dissolving. So volume will become what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And surface area will be what, beta? Pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is the surface area and this will become the volume. The spherical ball of salt is dissolving in water in such a manner that rate of decrease of volume at any instant is proportional to surface area. What is given here is rate of, this is exactly rate of change of volume is inversely proportional to rate of change of volume is inversely proportional to its surface area. It is given rate of change of volume is inversely proportional to surface area. So beta, inverse proportionality we have written. Inverse proportionality we have written, but we have to convert inverse proportionality into equation format. So when we are writing, what we are going to write? dv by dt equal to minus s. What we are going to write it as, beta? dv by dt is equal to minus s. What we are going to write it as? dv by dt is equal to minus s, but this is not going to be the correct one, because always when we will make it equal, it will be equal to constant of proportionality. So we are going to put constant of proportionality k into s, because s is the surface area. So what is k? Where k is constant of proportionality. What is k? Constant of what is k considered as? Constant of proportionality. K is considered as what here, beta? Constant of proportionality. We have done till here. Now we are going to differentiate and get the value. So now beta, we got this relation. They have given this relation only. Okay. So now we are going to substitute and find the content in this relation. So V d of dt. What is V beta? V is volume. What is the volume formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume part. 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this will be equal to minus k into 4 pi r. Done? Because we just substituted the value. Once we substituted the value, it is coming 4 by 3 pi d of r cube by dt is equal to minus k 4 pi r. Understood? Now r cube will not be differentiated. R cube will not be differentiated with respect to t. So 4 by 3 pi into d of r cube dr into dr by dt is equal to minus k into 4 pi r. Now beta, here we will be writing it as 4 by 3 pi. It will become 3r square into dr by dt is equal to minus k 4 pi r. Minus k into what beta? 4 pi r. So once we have written till here, now let's see what and all get cancelled. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now dr by dt, because what they told, prove that radius is decreasing at a constant rate. Radius is decreasing what beta? At a constant rate. So dr by dt is equal to minus k into 4 pi r. Now whatever is there, it will go down. It is coming as 4 pi r square. This r square, this pi and 4 I have shifted down. So 4 pi and 4 pi got cancelled. This and this got cancelled. So what is the value coming? dr by dt is equal to minus k by r. Minus k by r. So we got this one beta. So minus dr by dt is equal to minus k by r. 4 pi r square will be there. Come on, check this one out. So, oh sorry, 4 pi r square. I have missed r. So here, Pushpa, hi beta. Hi Pushpa. So here r square, r square. So beta, this r square will be there. Just one fumble I did. So here r square. So r square and r square will get cancelled. It is coming as dr by dt is directly coming as minus k. Minus k. So 100% it is coming beta. So what is the value coming here directly? The value coming here is minus k. Got it? So that means we have proved that the radius is decreasing at a constant rate. What we have proved? The radius is decreasing at a constant rate. Because surface area is 4 pi r square. So here substituted 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. So whatever the equation has been generated, in that equation, what happened Pushpa today? So the equation generated, we just substituted and solved. Done? Shall we go for the next question, please? Okay, shall we go for the next question? Let's start the next question, beta. Today net is lagging so much. Huh, beta? Beta, because it is decreasing. It is decreasing. It is decreasing. Decreasing means it will become minus ks. Decreasing here means minus ks. Decreasing here means what beta? Minus ks. K is what? Constant of proportionality, and S is the surface area. I hope you might have understood here. Shall we go for the next one? Noted. Go for this question, beta. A particle moves along the curve. So what is the equation given to you? I think the picture is not so clear. A particle moves along the curve. it will be written 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as its x coordinate. You have to find a point on the curve on which y coordinate is changing 8 times its x coordinate. Understood, beta? First, so let the point be considered as x comma y. So first work what we are going to write, beta? We will be considering the point as x comma y. Okay, so let the required point be, first we will do one by one. A particle moves along the curve. So if this is your curve, so this point is px comma y, and this is exactly moving along the curve. So let pxy be the point, pxy be the point moving along the curve. Understood? Pxy be the point moving along the curve. Once we have written this one, beta, now what is the question given to you? The question part is telling कि find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing. So what part is given, beta? Rate of change of y coordinate. Which one is moving? Y coordinate is moving. Which one is moving? Y coordinate is moving. Y coordinate is moving or changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So y coordinate is moving 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So now we are going to write that application. First our this was there, and what we have considered as pxy be the point. What was our point? Let pxy be the point on the curve. Point on the curve. So let's pxy be the point on the curve. Once we have taken this one, now we will go for the next one, beta. So now our equation is given as 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. This we will be taken as equation 1. Done? Till here we have done 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Now beta, what is given to you? Y coordinate is changing 8 times of x coordinate. Now beta, what we are going to, the rate of change we are exactly going to apply. So dy by dt is equal to 8 times of dx by dt. This is given to you. Dy by dt is 8 times of x coordinate. So dy by dt is equal to 8 times of dx by dt. So this is actually given to you. With the help of this only, we can be able to get the point. With the help of this, now we are going to get the point. Now beta, what we are going to do is, our equation given to you is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Shall we differentiate it with respect to time? So 6, it will become dy by dt is equal to d of dt x cube plus 3. Okay. So once you differentiate, it will become 6 dy by dt is equal to, now beta, here it will become d of x cube by dt, and plus constant will become what? 0 only. Correct? Now beta, 6 dy by dt is equal to x cube will not be differentiated with respect to t. Now it will become dx, and here it will become dx by dt. So it will become 6 dy by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt. Done? Dx by dt. Till here we have already written, beta. So now what we are going to do? We are exactly going to write dy by dt value, because dy by dt value, it is already given 8 times of dx by dt. We will substitute. So 6 into 8 times of dx by dt using equation 1. And here it will become 3x square dx by dt. So what we have done? Substituted. So we are using equation 1 and solving this part. So dx and dx will get cancelled. So now beta, what is coming? 6 8 the 48 is equal to 3x square. So 3x square is equal to 48 means x square is equal to 48 by 3. It is coming as what, beta? It is coming as 1 6 16. So x will be coming as plus minus 4. So once our value x is coming as plus minus 4, we need to substitute this value. Come on, first you note down till here. Now substituting x equal to plus minus 4, where, so last part I am going to teach you substituting x is equal to plus minus 4. And where we are going to substitute, beta? Substituting, here I am writing this part, continuation I am writing, substituting x equal to plus minus 4 in our equation. And what is our equation? 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So one time we will take x is equal to 4. Then 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2. So y will be equal to 4 4 16, 64 plus 2 by 6. It will come as 66 by 6 and it is coming as 11. So one time y value is coming as 11, when x will be coming as what, beta? 4. When x will be coming as minus 4, 6y will be coming as minus 4 whole cube plus 2. So how much it is coming, beta? Minus 64 plus 2. So it will become minus 62. That time y will be equal to minus 62 by 6. So 2 3s are 6, 32. So it will come minus 32 by 3. So p value will have 2 points, 2 values will be there. One time when x will be 4, y will be considered as 11. And second one, when x will be equal to minus 4, y value will be minus 32 by 3. Minus 4, y will be equal to what, beta? Minus 32 by 3. This is one of the most important part. Done, everyone? Come on, say quickly. Everybody understood this one? Last part after removal, I have written the last part continuation here. Okay. Shall we go for the next one? Written beta done. This question we will go for the next question. This is your next question, same part question, but this is very special question for you because this question already came in board exam. Which year this question came is 2023. So if this question came in 2023, means 100% this question is important for you. Shall we do this question, children? Okay, shall we go for this question, beta? What is your question is, a particle moves along the curve. So equation of the curve given to you, beta. What is the equation of the curve given to you? Now first check this one out. The equation of the curve given to you is 3y is equal to ax cube plus 1. This is equation of the curve such that at a point with x coordinate, such that at a point with x coordinate, a particle moves along the curve this such that at a point with x coordinate 1 exactly it is given. Understood? So note down till here, beta. Y coordinate is changing twice, x coordinate is changing 1, then y coordinate is exactly changing twice as fast as x coordinate. Now we have to find, thank you Gujarat Education, we have to find the value of a, beta. What we need to find here is, we need to find the value of a. So our equation is what, beta? 3y is equal to ax cube plus 1. Now beta, we need to differentiate it. Okay, so we need to differentiate it with respect to time, because they have given x is time a and y coordinate is changing 2 times as fast as x coordinate. So one by one we will do that work, beta. Now let's check this one out, how to do it. First we will differentiate. So dy by dt, everything will be differentiated with respect to time. So here, beta, it is coming as a. Now dx cube by dt plus differentiation of 1 with respect to t, beta. This part will become 0. 3 dy by dt equal to a. X cube cannot be differentiated with respect to time. So here it will coming x cube into dx and dx by dt is written. Understood? So once you are writing x cube, this one, so it will become 3 dy by dt equal to a into 3x square dx by dt. Till here written, beta? Till here written, so 3ax square dx by dt. Now beta, what equation they have 10, what is the statement written there? The statement written there is कि when x is equal to 1, y is changing twice as fast as x coordinate. This is exactly the situation given when x will be equal to 1. What is given? When x will be equal to 1, or x will be equal to 1, what is exactly given to you is dy by dt is 2 times of dx by dt. What is given when x is equal to 1? Dy by dt is 2 times of dx by dt. This is actually given to you, beta, in the statement itself. What they wrote, check here. A particle moves along the curve, equation of the curve given. After that, they are telling such that a point with x coordinate 1, y coordinate is changing twice as fast as x coordinate. So x coordinate 1, see, such that with x coordinate 1, y coordinate is changing as twice as fast as x coordinate, beta. So I have done this part, beta. Now we have already written the equation. So now we are going to substitute. This is our equation came as 3y dy by dt is equal to 3ax square dx by dt. Done. Now beta, dy by dt, this is our equation 1 and this will be our equation 2. So now instead of dy by dt, can I write 3 into 2 dx by dt? I used equation 2 in equation 1. Got it? So beta, I substituted this part with this one which is given in the question. This part is given in the question with the help. So first what I did, I took the curve and I differentiated it with respect to time and wrote the equation. And this is given in the question itself. So once it is given in the question itself, what we did, beta, we just substituted dy by dt. Now here dy by dt part from here we substituted here. So now 3 into, instead of dy by dt, what we wrote? 2 dx into dt, and that will be equal to 3ax square dx by dt. So now beta, dx by dt will cancel. 3 and 3 will also get cancelled. Till here is done, beta. And they have given the value of x. If you will notice nicely, they have given the value of x as 1, x coordinate as 1. So when you are reaching till here, half of the work is over, beta, because now you have cancelled this one, and once you have cancelled this one, you are getting 2 is equal to 2 is equal to ax square. Understood, beta? Now x is exactly coming as what, beta? 1. X is equal to 1. It is again given in the question. So here 2 is equal to a into 1 square. So a value is coming as 2. A value is coming as what, beta? 2. And this question came in CBSE Telegram, beta. I will drop in the comment box. Okay. I'll drop in the comment box. Huh? Now listen, beta. So this is exactly a very simple question, but yet the statement made it complex, and this question came in CBSE 2023. See, everything, if you will not be able to understand the question, the content was so easy. What we did, we took the curve given, we differentiated and kept here. Understood? So this is exactly the differentiation of the curve. After that, according to the statement, when x was exactly equal to 1, they told the y coordinate changes 2 times of x coordinate. Y coordinate is changing how many times? 2 times of x coordinate. So we got this equation. Simply what we did, whatever the equation we got from the curve, in that dy by dt we substituted. And we got the, after cancelling everything, we got this one. And that is possible only in one case, when x is equal to 1. So we just substituted. At that point, we got the value of A. I hope everybody understood this question. Done na beta? Done. Now we will be going for the next question. This is an NCRT exemplar question, beta. An NCRT exemplar question. Shall we go for it? Shall we go for NCRT exemplar question, children? So what is x? Let x be the length of each edge of a cube. Let x be the length of each edge of a cube. So the volume of a cube is increasing at a constant rate. So we will take x as the length of each edge of a cube. Now beta, what they are telling? The volume is increasing. So volume increase can be written as plus k, because increasing means plus k will be written. Decreasing means it will become minus. Increase means plus, decrease means minus. So now we have written the volume is increasing at a constant rate. After that, what they are telling? Prove that the increase in surface area varies inversely as the length of the edge of the cube. So we have to again prove ds by dt is equal to whatever constant will come by its edge. So this we have to write. Thank you so much, beta. I'm trying my level best here. What to do? Now look here. Now beta, what is given to you? dV by dt is equal to k. Now what is volume, beta? Volume is coming as x cube dt is equal to k. Now we cannot differentiate x with respect to t, so it will become dx cube dx, and dx by dt is equal to k. Now beta, here now x cube can be differentiated with respect to x cube, so it will become 3x square dx by dt is equal to k. Now beta, dx by dt is equal to k by 3x square. Understood? Dx by dt is equal to k by 3x square. We got dx by dt beta. Now what we are going to do, we will keep it as equation 1. Now surface area. We know surface area of cube is 6 into side square. Now differentiate surface area with time beta. So 6 will be written, and here dx square dt is there. But beta, x cannot be differentiated with respect to that. So what we will write? 6 into x square will be differentiated with respect to x, and here dx by dt will be there. So here it will become 6 into 2x dx by dt. And that will be equal to ds by dt. ds by dt. Till here we have written. Now beta, already dx by dt we have k by 3x square. So k by 3x square is already present there. Now what we are going to do is we will substitute. So using equation 1, the moment we are writing equation 1, what it is written beta, ds by dt is equal to 6 into 2x into dx by dt, and dx by dt is 3 by k by 3x square. This and this will cancel. It will become 2. It is coming as 4x by x square into k. This and this will get cancelled. So ds by dt. Now finally what we are getting? ds by dt is equal to 4k by x. Understood? So ds by dt is equal to 4k by s. What we are getting? ds by dt is equal to 4k by x, and this is our relation. So what is the final conclusion we have drawn from here beta? The final conclusion is ds by dt is directly proportional to, it is inversely proportional. So direct connection is ds by, means rate of change of surface area is inversely proportional to length of its edge. Rate of change of, what we can say, rate of change of surface area is inversely proportional to its edge. Till here we have done, beta. Done. Done. I'm seeing how many of you are exactly present there. Done, children? Okay. Done till here. Shall we go for the next one part, please? Done, beta? We'll go for the next one. Two men m1 and m2 start with velocities v at the same time from the junction of two roads inclined at 45 degrees. So two roads will be there, beta, at the junction of two roads inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. So here two roads are there and they will be inclined, sorry. And what is the angle between them, beta? 45 degree. Please note down that. So here, this is the starting point. So the two men m1 and m2 starts with velocity v at the same time from the junction of two roads inclined at, so two road junction inclined at 45 degree to each other. If they travel by different roads, find the rate at which they are separated. So rate of separation they are asking. What they are asking, beta? Rate of separation. What they are asking here is rate of separation. Can we check, beta, what is the distance? So after some time, at time t, we can take that, okay, first man is at point P, second man is at point Q. So first man is exactly covered a distance x, second man has covered a distance y. Come on, go for it, please. Is it correct? Is it correct? Can we do like that? Check. Two men m1, m2 start with velocities v at the same time from the junction of two roads to each other. If they travel at different rate, different road, find the rate at which they are separated. So here, to find the rate, we have to find OP and OQ. We are going to take it as exactly same. Are you understanding here? So they are starting with the same pace. So PQ we will be taking it as, because 45 degree will be there, we are going to take PQ as, so let us consider PQ will be considered as Y. Okay. Now we are going to solve and we need to find, because see, two men m1, m2 start with velocities v. So their velocity is same. If somebody will be asking you, so its velocity is same. So if distance covered by them, because same velocity is there, so definitely with time t, they will cover same distance. Got it? So their velocity is v. So we will write, since both the men m1 and m2 are moving with velocity v, then they will cover same distance x at time t. Understood? So they will cover same distance at time t. And when we are writing like this, beta, they are covering same distance at time t. So now, beta, what we are going to write? We will be writing dx by dt, rate of change of displacement, is exactly coming as what, beta? We are going to write it as dx by dt is coming as what, beta? V. Here dx by dt is coming as what? V. So when dx by dt is coming as v, now PQ we are considered as y. What is the distance between two men? What is the distance between two men? Y. We are considering the distance between two men as y. Come on, beta. So now you understand one thing. This is x. This is x. Two sides are equal. That means this respective angles will also become equal. Correct or wrong? Two sides are equal, so respective angles will also become equal. So we have respective formula. So one formula we are going to use, and that is angle formula. So using cosine formula. So here we are going to use one formula that is called as cosine formula. So just write down using cosine formula. So PQ we are writing it as y. PQ we are writing it as y. Now we have to find what beta? Dy by dt. Rate of change of y only, means how much rate is changing. So here we are going to use cosine formula. In physics, cosine formula is there. So now what is cosine formula is PQ. This is only one. Now we have to find PQ. So what will become? PQ square is equal to, write down the formula plus, please, PQ square is equal to OP square plus OQ square, OP square plus OQ square minus 2OP into OQ cos alpha. Generally, alpha is the angle subtended, so cos alpha. But here it will be cos 45 degree. Understood? OP square plus OQ square minus 2OP into OQ cos alpha. Now, beta, here OP, OQ. What is your OP? X. What is your OQ? X. So, what it will become? PQ square is equal to x square plus x square minus 2 x into 1 by root under 1 cos 45 degree value will be what beta? 1 by root 2. Now we will rationalize it, root 2 and root 2. Now here PQ square is equal to x square plus x square will become 2x square. Now here beta it will become minus 2x square. Now we will rationalize, it will become root 2 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled beta. So now PQ square is equal to 2x square minus root 2x square. 2x square minus root 2x square is coming. 2x square root 2x square is coming beta PQ. Now PQ is our distance. Now that rate is only they are asking. That rate is only they are asking. Now what we will do is we will take out x square. What we will do is we will take out x square. So once we are going to take out x square, y will be what? We will, this PQ is nothing but y. So y square is equal to x square 2 minus root 2. X square 2 minus root 2 written beta. 2 minus root 2. Now y will be equal to what? I am writing from here to direct here. Okay. So here y will be equal to x 2 minus root 2. Y will be equal to what beta? X2 minus root 2. This root will come. Understood? 2 minus root 2, x will square will be cancelled and 2 minus root 2 will be there. Now beta, only one small work we need to differentiate. What is the differentiation? Dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. Constant will remain 2 minus root 2 as it is. Okay, so constant part will come forward. Okay, we cannot write differentiation after, so it will become root of 2 minus root 2 dx by dt. 2 minus root 2 dx by dt, and beta dx by dt is nothing but v. In the beginning itself we have changed. Dx by dt is what? V. So we are going to substitute here dy by dt, rate of change of their distance, will be equal to 2 minus root 2 v. And this is the end of this part. So hence the two men will be separated at a rate. What is the rate of their separation? The two men will be separated at a rate of 2 minus root 2 v. The rate at which the two men will be separated is 2 minus root 2 v. Did you note it beta? Did you understood here? So whatever question, so our question, one more time I am explaining, this is really a very good question. Now. So how we have attempted this question beta? We learned that they started from this junction point at O, they were there and they started. Understood? So they have covered equal velocity. They are moving with a velocity. What you are asking, beta? Ma'am, what about x in dy by dt? X in dy by dt, beta, that x will be exactly getting differentiated, beta. That x got differentiated. Now look here, beta, that x got only differentiated. And that you need to understand here one thing, that velocity is displacement by time. So here rate of change of velocity will be dx by dt, beta, because they are asking change of velocity. So change of velocity will be dx by dt. It will not be x by t, beta. So dx by dt, once you have written, now here y is equal to x root under this part is there. So when you differentiated this section, beta, this part will also be differentiated now, and dx by dt is nothing but velocity only, okay, in the beginning. And beta, dy by dt is that change. Dy by dt is that change, beta, because they are exactly separated at a rate. So what is the rate of separation? Rate of separation means the distance between them. So this is y. The distance between is y, and dy by dt is exactly the separation with the velocity. So separation with rate of change of velocity will be coming like that only, beta. I hope you might have understood this one. Hmm? Till here, did we understood how to solve this question? Very good, beta. Very good. No, it's correct. You have asked the correct question. You did not ask any wrong question. You asked the correct content here. That what will be changing it. Understood? So what change will exactly happen here? And this is the only change it is getting to happen. Okay. So I'm going to keep it till here, beta, because some exams are there for other students. Tomorrow they have chemistry exams. So I'm keeping it till here. Okay, beta. Bye for now. Good night, everyone.